Good morning.
So my question, I'm going to ask you from multiplication tables. Okay. Close your all the books. Close your all the books and be ready to answer. Okay. Now, Bhumi, please unmute. Yes, Bhumi, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
2 into 6 equal to 2 into 6 equal to 2 into 6 equal to. Very easy, dear. Still what happened? Have you learned multiples of 2? Sorry, multiples of 6? Yes or no? Bhumi? You don't know answer. That's why you muted? Okay, Agnel Sunil, please unmute. Agnel,
Ma'am.
2 into 6 equal to? 2 into 6 equal to? Why you muted, dear? Unmute. Unmute, dear. If you know answer, please unmute. You don't know? You don't know?
Ma'am, 12.
12. 2 into 6 equal to 12.
12.
Bhumi? Where is Bhumi? Dear, 2 into 6 equal to 12. Keep in mind. Now, Malaviga, please unmute. 6 into 6.
6 into 6.
Hmm.
36.
36. Okay. Good. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ivana, unmute. 3 into 7. 3 into 7. 3 into 7. Third multiple of 7. 7, 14.
7.
14. Not studied multiples. Ashwati, mute.
Yes, ma'am.
7 into 3 or 3 into 7.
3 into 7. 21.
Yes, 21. Ivana, have you understood now? Keep in mind, 3 into 7 equal to 21. 3 into 7 equal to 21. Aishwarya, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
7 into 7. 7
49.
into 7. Sorry?
49.
Very good. 7 into 7 equal to 49. Akshach, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
5 into 6.
5 into 6. 30.
30. Very good. Now, Rajan, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
4 into 6. 4 into
24.
Very good. Very good. 4 into 6 equal to 24. Very good, dear. Now, Agnal Baiju, please unmute. Agnal Baiju, please unmute first. What happened? Unmute here. Dear, 2 into 6. 2 into 6. 2 into 6. Sarah, 2 into 6. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
2 into
6,
uh,
2, 6,
mm, Don't
12.
look at the. Do you have book with you, dear?
New ma'am.
Okay. 2 6 are 12. Okay.
12.
Now, Dhananjay, please unmute. 3 into 7.
Ma'am, my book is in the back.
Okay. Yes. Okay. 3 into 7.
7.
1 7 is 7. 2 sevens are 14. Then 3 sevens are. Any idea? 3 into 7. Evelyn, will you say answer? 3 into 7?
3 cents, sir.
3 sevens are.
And 21.
Here say answer, dear. Evelyn, one more question. 5 into 6. 5 into 6.
Sir, 6, 2, 6,
5 into 6.
Ma'am, 5, 6, sir. 5. 5.
Others?
Ma'am,
Five.
I know and
5 into 6.
yes,
6, 12, 18.
ma'am. 6, 2, 6. Ma'am, you are asking sixth table.
5 into 6. Sixth
Ma'am,
table.
30. No idea, ma'am.
Dear, if you don't know, take 5 fingers.
Ma'am.
Multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18. Dear, 5 into 6 equal to 30. Okay, Evelyn. Now,
Okay.
dear children, please learn the tables. Please learn the tables. Then only you can do the questions. Okay. So now, all of you open your book. For the next class, you have to learn tables of 8 and 9. So first, you have to study this multiples of 8 and 9. After that, you can learn the multiplication tables. Then it will be easy for you to study. Okay.
Ma'am, 9
So,
table is easy.
but when I ask, you have to say answer. You can't write and check whether it is okay. Increasing order and decreasing order, you can't write and say answer. You have to say answer fast. That's for that you have to by heart it. No other way. So everybody open your maths notebook and write multiples of 8.
Okay, ma'am.
Multiples of 8. 8,
Oh my God.
24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Who is talking Malayalam over there? All of you mute your audio. Multiples of 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.
What?
You have to write in your notebook. Take your maths notebook and write fast. Yes, Malavika has written. Okay, dear children, I will send through WhatsApp. So those who have not completed, you can copy from WhatsApp. Okay, and after that you learn the tables. Now, dear children, we have to discuss another topic. Same topic continuation. This one, multiplication of three-digit number by two-digit number. We have learned multiplication by one-digit number, how to do by one-digit number. Now we are going to study how to multiply by two-digit number. Okay, so everybody close your books. Close your books. Fold your hands. Close your books. Fold your hands. Amit, I can't see you, dear. Okay. Everybody close your books. No need to write now. And listen how we will do multiplication by two-digit number. For example, 211 into 20. When you multiply by two-digit number, first you have to multiply the given number by the ones place digit. Here the ones place digit is, what is the ones place digit here? 0. So first you have to multiply by 211 by 0.
Okay.
And the next step is, you have to multiply 211 by the tens place digit 2. 211 into 2. So first here you have to multiply the given number by the ones place digit. Here it is 211 by 0. After that you have to multiply 211 by 2 or 2 tens. After that you have to add these two products. These are the three steps to multiply by two-digit number. We can see. So HTO 211 into
Ma'am, we have to write in
no, you don't want to write this.
Ma'am.
Yes. Dear children, you don't want to write this. Please listen. Now, Rupika, please unmute. Please unmute, dear. Dupika, can you hear me, dear? But you are not audible to me, dear. Once more. Will you speak little more louder? Uh-huh. Muted. Now, Rachel, please unmute. Rachel, yes, unmute. Unmute. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. So the first step is 211 into 0. So please help me to multiply 211 into 0, dear. First, what we have to multiply?
1 into 0.
1 into 0, what we'll get?
1.
Uh-huh. When we multiply a number by 0, what we will get?
0.
0. So 1 into 0 equal to 0. Again, what we have to multiply?
1 into 2.
No. You have to multiply 211 into 0. For that, first you have to multiply 1 into 0. Then you have to multiply this 1 into 0, tens place digit into 0. Then 100 place digit into 0. Okay. So 1 into 0, 0. Next, this 1 into 0, tens place 1 into 0. Again,
0.
0.
0.
Next, what you have to multiply?
2 into 0.
2 into 0, what we'll get?
0.
0. So this is the first step. You have to multiply by the ones place digit. The whole number you have to multiply by the ones place digit. And then next step is you have to multiply by the tens place digit. Here the tens place digit is 2. When you multiply by the tens place digit, you have to put 1 0 first. Because last day we have seen when we multiply by tens, there will be 1 0 in the right side of the product. So here we will put 0 first and we will start. Here only 2 is there, but the place value of 2 is tens. That's why we are putting, actually we are multiplying by 2 tens, 20. That's why we are putting a 0 here. Okay, that is the second step. So we have, next we have to multiply 2 into 211. So we can start. Rachel,
Yes, ma'am.
next what you have to multiply first? 211 into 2. What you will multiply first? Dear, you have to multiply 2 into 1. The ones place did you have to multiply. 2 into 1.
2 into 1, 2.
You have to write in the tens place. Okay. 2 into 1, 2. Again, what we have to multiply?
1, 2.
What you will get?
2.
2. Next, what you have to multiply?
2.
2
4.
into, 2 into 2, you will get 4.
4.
You have to write in the thousand place.
Same place.
Now, dear children, you have to add these two products. These two products you have to add. Here, the first product we can say first partial product. And the second one is second partial product. That no need to by heart, just for your information I said. Now you have to add these two products. 0 plus 0, what you will get? 0. 0 plus 2?
2.
2. 0 plus 2?
2.
2. And 4 we can keep down. The answer is, will you read this answer?
4,220.
4,220. Okay. You can mute your audio, dear. I will show you one more example. Dara, please unmute. Dara. Dara, please unmute. Unmute here. No, you can't. Yes. We'll go to somebody else. Agnivesh, please unmute. Yes. 432 into 24. HTO 432 into 24. So dear, first we have to multiply 432 by what? Agnivesh, can you hear me? Where is our Agnivesh? Dear, can you hear me? Please unmute.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First we have to multiply which all digits?
2 into 4.
2 into 4. That means you have to multiply 432 by 4 first. 4 first. The ones place it is 4. Yes. Am I correct?
Yes.
So you have to multiply 432 into 4. So 2 into 4, what you will get?
8.
8. Next, 3 into 4,
12.
12. And 12, what we will write in the tens place?
2.
2 in the tens place. And 1, what we will do?
Carry to the hundreds place.
Carry to the 100 place. Very good. Now, what we have to multiply?
4 into 2.
We are multiplying by the ones place digit. What is the
4 into 4.
4 into 4. 4 into 4, what we will get?
You did.
Sorry?
15.
No. 4 into 4 is?
Sorry. 1 into 4, 4, 2 into 4, 18.
Here.
14.
No. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12.
1 into 4, 4,
3 4s are
1
12.
into 4, 4, 2 into 4,
4 4s are? 3 4s are 12. So 4 4s are? 4, 8, 12. What is the next multiple? Agnivesh.
1 minute.
4, 8, 12.
1, 6, 16.
16. 4 4s are 16. Where are you going, dear? Agnivesh? Where are you?
Yes.
4 4s are 16. Then what you have to do? This one have to
And wait.
add.
16
plus 1. What you will get?
17.
17. So 17. Now what do you have to do? What is the next step?
2 into 2.
We have to multiply 432 into 2. Am I correct? The tens place.
Yes, yes.
So before starting the multiplication, what do you have to do? One thing you have to do. As we are multiplying by 2 tens, the tens place digit, you have to put a 0 first. Okay. Then
Yes.
next we have to multiply 2 into 2. What you will get?
2 into 2. 1 into 2, 2 into 4.
4. Then we have to multiply
3 into 2.
3 into 2. What do you will get? 3 into 2?
Ma'am, 1 minute. 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 2. 1 into 2. 1 into 6.
6. Then next we have to multiply 4 into 2.
Into 2.
What do you will get?
1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 2, 7. 8.
8. What is the next step? Now we got the two products. Then what is the next step? We have to add these two products. Plus Okay. Now 8 plus 0, what you will get? 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0. Here addition.
8.
8.
8.
2 plus 4. 2 plus 4.
6.
7 plus 6. 7 plus 6.
13.
In 13, 3 we have to write here and
1 carry to the one's place.
not 1 thousand.
Thousand's place.
Now 1 plus 1.
1.
1 plus 1.
2.
2. 2 plus 8.
10.
10. Dear children, we will read this number 10,368. Okay. Now everybody open your notebook. Open your notebook. We can do few questions. Write the heading. Find the product. Find the product. First question. 769 into 21. Try to do aloud. Those who know, try to do aloud. Adit, please unmute. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have to help me to do this. Okay.
Yes.
769 into 21. Those who can do alone, please do it. Others, please listen. Now, first, what is the first step? Dear, what is the first step?
Ma'am, 9 into 1.
First, we have to multiply 769 by
21.
First, we have to multiply. Yes, the ones place digit. By 1, we have to multiply first. That means here. So, start. First, we have to, sorry?
9 into 1.
9 into 1. What you will get 9 into 1?
9 into 1, 9.
9. X. You have to multiply?
6. 6 into 1.
6 into 1. What you will get?
6.
6. Then
7
we have to
into
multiply.
Into 1. 7.
7. Okay. Then what is the next step?
Ma'am, 2.
You have to multiply by 2. Okay. So, how we will start? We are going to multiply by 2 tens. So,
Ma'am,
what is the first thing we have to do?
Ma'am, 9 into 2.
Before multiplying 9 into 2, you have to do one thing. You are going to multiply by 2 tens, 20. Not by 2. Actually, not by 2. You are going to multiply by 20. So when we multiply by 10, yesterday we have seen one video.
Yes.
What you have to do? You have to put a 0.
0.
Okay. Then 2 into 9. What you will get? 2 into 9?
18.
8. 2 into 9 equal to?
18.
18. In 18, what you have to write in the tens place?
8.
8 we have to write in the tens place. And 1 where we should write?
Hundreds place.
No, because we have multiplied the ones place digit.
Ma'am,
So what we have to do? We have to
Ma'am.
carry to the tens
Ma'am.
place.
Tens
ma'am,
place.
Who is calling me?
ma'am, breathe.
What happened, Preet?
Ma'am, we have to write 0 in.
Yes,
Ma'am.
it will be
Okay, ma'am.
better if you are writing 0. Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Later you can leave that space, but for the time being, as the beginners, you have to write 0. Otherwise, you will forget that.
And
So,
in
dear
6
children,
also we have to
this
write 8.
Sorry?
In the 6 we have to write 8.
In the tens place, you have to write 8. And dear children, this is very important thing. Otherwise, you will make mistake. You have multiplied now 2 into 9. Then you got 18. 8 you have to write in the tens place. But 1 you have to carry forward to the tens place. Why? You have multiplied it 2 into 1's place. So the carryover should be in the tens place. Okay. As we have multiplied by the ones place digit into 2, the carryover should be in the tens place. Now, Adit, what do you have to multiply next?
6 into
6 into 2, what you will get?
2. 6 into 2.
What you will get?
Ma'am,
12 plus 1, what you will get? You have to add this carryover one.
12.
13. In 13, 3 we have to write in the
3 we have to write in the tens place.
not tens place,
100 place.
100 place. And 1 we have to carry over to the
Thousands place.
no. Dear, we have multiplied 2 into 6. The tens place which we have multiplied.
100 place.
Carry over should be to the 100 place.
100 place.
Now we have to multiply with all digits. Next we have to multiply 100 place. That's why we have written the carryover in the 100 place. Okay. We have multiplied the tens place digit and the carryover should be in 100 place. Why? Next we have to multiply the 100 place digit. So 2 into 7, what you will get?
2 into 7.
2 into 7?
10.
No. 2 into 7 equal to 40.
14.
14 plus 1, 15 you will get.
15.
Then you have to add. 9 plus 0,
9 plus 0, 9.
9. 6 plus 8,
14.
14. In 14, 4 here, 1 back.
At 1 in.
7 plus 1, you will get 8. 8 plus 3, you will get?
9.
No, 11 dear. 8 plus 3 is 11. In 11, 1 here and 1 we will carry to the tens place. Sorry, thousand place. 1 plus 5, 6. Here nothing is there to add. So you write like this. 16,149. Dear children, I will send 2 questions as a homework. You know, you try to do, but try to do the answer form also no problem. Next day we will be again the same thing. Okay, but
Yes, ma'am.
I'll ask you answer. Okay, so thank you, my dear children.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.